Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with an interesting recipe especially for my vegetarian viewers. The recipe is aloo gobi but with a twist, and the twist is I will be adding simla mirch or capsicum to it. So let's begin. For this I have taken half a cup of cauliflower cut into this size of florets, 3 medium-sized potatoes cut into wedges, and 1 large capsicum. A small bowl of coriander for the garnish. And now for the cooking process. I have taken 1 medium-sized tomato sliced, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and 1 medium-sized onion sliced. Now for the masalas. I have taken 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and half a teaspoon of amchur powder, salt as per taste, which is half a teaspoon for now. This is a ginger garlic water. You can use this. So let's begin with the recipe. Take a large vessel, heat it, add about 2 tablespoons of oil to it. This is a cooking refined oil, 2 tablespoons. This recipe is done in 2 stages. The first is that you need to fry the potatoes and the cauliflower, and then we will cook it in the masala. So now I'll be adding the potatoes and the cauliflower. Be careful as it will splutter. Roast this really well. Roast it nicely until it gets a light golden color to it. This potatoes and the cauliflower are being roasted really nice, and you can see a slight brown color. At this stage you will have to take it off, and then we'll move to the second stage of cooking. To the same vessel I have added another half a teaspoon of oil and have started frying the onions and the cauliflower. The onions and the ginger garlic paste. Fry this mixture well until the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. You will be noticing that there's some traces of potato stuck to the vessel. That's because it's a non-stick vessel. If you wish to, you can cook in a non-stick vessel. Now add in the chopped tomatoes and cook everything well. You can see that the onions and the tomatoes are really cooked well and the oil is separating out. At this we'll add the dry spices all in one go. Mix everything well. At this the flame of the gas is on medium. Let the masalas and the onion tomato mixture cook well. So just cover with a lid and leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes. Let's check. Oh, it's really looking great. So now just go ahead and add the garlic water. Give it a good stir. Now at this stage you will mix everything well, and if you can notice, all the stuck potatoes which were at the bottom has left the pan. At this stage now we'll go ahead and add the fried potatoes and the cauliflower. Mix this really well. Since the potatoes and the cauliflower are already half fried, which means it will take very little time to cook. It's just that it has to be mixed with the masala, so all the masala get incorporated with both of the vegetables. At the same time now we'll go ahead and add the capsicum. Here goes in the capsicum, which I have cut it again in wedges style. I have added the capsicum a little later. That's because I want it to be crunchy and not completely cooked. You can see that there is a number of colors. The vegetable is looking very colorful, and I'm sure that it will taste as good as it looks. Give it a good stir and then close the lid and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. This is almost done, so you can squeeze in half a teaspoon of lemon for that extra tanginess. Look, the vegetable is all completed. There's oil oozing out. So now you can switch off the flame and keep it covered for about a minute so that it rests. Today I will be serving the vegetable with rotis. So I'll just quickly make some rotis which will accompany this vegetable. The rotis are almost done, all of them. So let's move ahead and serve. So here it's ready to eat, and as I said, I've served them with chapati. You can have them with rice as well. So I hope you liked my video, and stay subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon. There are many more exciting recipes lined up for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.